The AirPods Pro 2 or second generation AirPods Pro are here. Inside the box, we have the usual AirPods stuff. A getting started guide and some other paperwork are right on top. Underneath that, we have the AirPods themselves. We'll put those to the side for now to see what else is inside the box. Underneath that, we have the USB Type-C to Lightning cable. Keep in mind the AirPods 2nd Gen can also be charged wirelessly with any Qi wireless charger, and it could also use Apple's MagSafe charger as well. And now, Apple even added the ability to charge the AirPods Pro 2nd Gen with the Apple Watch charger. So you have a lot more options available to charge these AirPods. At the very bottom, we have the extra ear tips for the AirPods Pro 2. Apple included an extra size for this generation. Now we have an extra small size, so you have more to choose from to get that perfect fit specifically for your ear. Looking at these AirPods Pro 2nd Gen, the charging case is very similar to the previous generation with two notable changes. You have speakers at the bottom which allow you to actually find the case itself if it gets lost. And on the right you have a lanyard loop so you can easily attach this to a bag or a backpack. Now, one thing that was improved with the AirPods Pro 2, at least when compared to the first gen AirPods Pro, is the Apple H2 chip. Apple says it's going to give you better performance and just better overall audio. The new AirPods Pro easily connected to my iPhone like all the previous AirPods do. So really no change there. I didn't notice too much of a difference when it came to the H2 chip, at least with the initial pairing. Now, first impressions on the new AirPods Pro, they sound great. The audio is richer and fuller, especially in the lower end. The active noise cancellation was already great on the previous AirPods Pro, but now this second generation, it's really special. The way that the AirPods Pro 2 are able to reduce external noise, it just makes you more immersed in the audio you're listening to, which is just really special in my opinion. I really love the Find My features introduced with the AirPods Pro 2nd Gen as well. I can't tell you how happy I am that there's an external speaker on the actual case itself. I would usually lose my AirPods inside of the charging case, so there was never really any way to find them when they were inside of the charging case. But now that's changed with the included internal speaker. I also really like the added touch controls on the AirPods themselves. You can finally control the volume on the AirPods Pro 2 by swiping up and down on the AirPods touch controls. And really, like every other AirPods, they work really well. Touch controls are easy to get used to and they're just easy to use. And I think that's one of my favorite parts of AirPods. The stem may be ugly, but it makes touch controls a lot easier to use because of that stem that you have outside of your ear. And they just seem easier to use than the other touch controls that other earbuds have. So far, they work great, they sound great, and if you don't own AirPods or maybe you own the regular AirPods, these are definitely worth looking at. If you have the AirPods Pro 1st generation, you do have some added features that might make it worth it for you, especially if you've had those 1st gen AirPods for a while now, because I'm sure battery life is starting to be an issue. I wouldn't call it a drastic improvement, at least so far first impression wise, but Apple did improve in pretty much every single area. But the full review is coming, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this one on tech news, reviews, and opinions, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos, and I'll see you on the next one.